Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will turn this old chair and strainer into a beautiful succulent planter. I used this really old chair and strainer na nakatambak lang dito sa bahay. So here are the materials that I use for this project. So I have here succulent or rooted succulents and some of my old succulent arrangement. And I have here a lot of succulent cuttings that I will be using for my arrangement. And make sure to choose variety of colors and textures. It will make your arrangement look vibrant and beautiful. And there you go. And I will be using also stones, different kinds of stones, and rocks, sand, marble. And also I have here a miniature set of table and chairs that's perfect for the theme that I want to achieve. And I have here wood. And I'll be using, for my tools, I'll be using scissor, tweezer, chopstick, and knife. Basically, you can use anything that will make your work easier. And I'll be using this moss as well to decorate the arrangement. And of course, a very important thing, very important material for this project is the soil mixture. In my next video, I will show you some tips about soil mixture. So after I fill in the strainer with soil, I added my large decoration, which is this wood, the wood that you see in the middle. And it's always easier this way. Then smaller decoration can be added later. Then I started planting the smaller succulents in front and the taller ones at the back. When all the planting is done, I started decorating it with rocks and just different sizes and different colors. And then I also have marbles. And then I have this deer figurine that I bought a long time ago, and I thought of using it. And I'll be putting it on top of the rocks. It's cute. And then I will use a little moss to cover and decorate as well. And it would cover the soil that is showing. Here comes more rocks to decorate. I bought a lot of that for decoration. Almost there. It's almost there. Then I use my sand, filling in the gap. There you go. If you're using succulent cuttings, I recommend you to leave the cuttings in a well-lit spot for 2 to 3 days until the callus forms over the end to avoid rotting. So wag niyo pong itanim kaagad yung cuttings nyo. Patuyuin niyo muna 2 to 3 days para po hindi mabulok pag tinanim nyo. And then make sure to place your succulent in a shaded area where the sun is not strong enough, especially if you live in a tropical country. And then if you're having a hard time deciding what to decorate in your succulent arrangement, I recommend to shop around your house first. You can use your kids' old toys or an old decoration, and it's absolutely free. I tied a ribbon around the backrest of the chair to add the design. You can choose any color you like. There you go. Charan! I hope you like my DIY succulent arrangement or DIY chair succulent arrangement. Have a succulent day, everybody. Bye!